So as I said in the previous video, the best way you can do to sell your network marketing business is not to sell to your friends and their family or to someone who don't get interest in your opportunity. You want to find someone who are already looking for some kind of opportunity. They already want to make money online. Then you want to reach out to them and convert them into your downline. So how do we do about that? For me, the best way you can do is publishing, right? So there's a quote in marketing world that's publish or perish, right? So the best way to publish is either by doing videos like on YouTube, or you can do blogging, right? And another way is you can do social media. So you can create a fan page, or you can go to other people's group. Then you can post content there. And why publishing is so powerful, right? The first reason is it positions you as an expert, right? So it's about positioning. So when you are publishing something, people will trust you. They will think, wow, you are an expert, right? The second part is traffic. So as you see, when you upload some videos on YouTube, and if you do some optimization, YouTube will bring you traffic naturally, right? So you can see YouTube will see, oh, who is searching for the term. So if you create a video, like what is the best opportunity to start my business and things like that. If people are searching for that keyword, guess what? Google will bring those people to your video or to your blog. And that's the power of publishing. So when you are publishing, you can get highly targeted traffic to your site, to your blog, to your business. So that's the power of publishing. And the third part is it's an asset, right? So when you are building a blog, or when you are building a YouTube channel, you are creating an asset. You have to remember that this channel, this blog can bring you more and more clients over time and be there forever. So to a point, you can start publishing because those channel, those blog can generate your downline consistent for you. So that's the power of publishing. If you publish consistently, you don't have to worry about traffic at all. So that's the reason if you join my team, I will ask you to publish on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, because the more content you put out there, the more traffic you will get. So that's a key here. You want to ask your team to publish daily, and you want to publish daily as well. So that's the secret of lead generation. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.